Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So towards the end of last month, as I posted, Microsoft rolled out the latest optional bug fix C-release update for Windows 11, 25 and 24H2, which was KB 5095093. I'll leave the video linked if you'd like some more information. And one of the new features rolling out, as we have been discussing over the last while on the channel, is a new accessibility feature called Screen Tint, which didn't roll out initially with the update when it rolled out towards the end of last month. But I have noticed today that if we head into my settings and we head over to the accessibility page, Screen Tint has now become available. And that seems to have been enabled overnight in my part of the world on my Windows 11 device. And basically what it does is it says add a subtle color overlay to make your screen more comfortable to view. And this has been rolling out gradually using a controlled rollout, and I'm happy to say that I can report that I finally received the feature. So if we click on that, first of all, it says at the top, turning on Screen Tint will disable color filters. If you use color filters frequently, you may need to keep Screen Tint off. Okay, so just take note of that, and you've got the link to open up your color filter settings. And then it says, show a color overlay on your display to reduce eye strain and improve viewing comfort. And you toggle that on, and then you can choose from 6 preset colors. Now, you'll notice you're not seeing it in the video, the actual color change, and that's because my screen recorder is not picking up the overlay. Okay, so I do apologize for that, but you get the general idea. So you've got 6 preset colors, being amber, rose, yellow, blue, green, and gray. And then if you select one of those, you've got custom tint, where you've got a color picker where you can customize your tint to your own personal choice and preference. Then here you've got your strength. So obviously 50% is the default, and you can increase and decrease that to your own personal choice and preference. So what it does basically, according to Microsoft, it applies a full screen color overlay to help reduce eye strain and improve readability. And I think as an accessibility feature, I think it's nice to have this, just giving you a little bit more option if you so wish and you so need. So go check it out. If you hadn't seen it already, it may be a good chance that it has rolled out to your device. So just wanted to do this quick video to keep you guys posted. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.